All right, what's up, YouTube? I'm over here on the south side of the pole. I'm showing y'all what my company does. Them are my boys up there. They're building that roof right there. That's what we do. I actually help my community, you know, and I put people to work and I give them jobs. I wasn't able to really do that on a positive level from a street angle, you know, so I'm actually proud of what I do, and this is one of the main reasons I'm, you know, kind of just focusing on this, like, fuck YouTube. That shit don't really matter. You know, I'm also running for president, you guys, so shit. If Trump can, I can. Like, nigga, you been raided, I've been raided, you've been raided. You probably have a criminal history, I have a criminal history. What's the difference at this point, man? Like, I'm running for president, so I'm giving black people reparations. I'm giving Native Americans half of the land in the nation, and I'm giving Mexicans, Hispanic people, documentation. Okay, so we gonna start off like that, man. So I'm on the campaign, y'all. Crazy Nick for president. I'm out.